Finally, hawak ko na si iPhone 16 Pro Max. Ito yung pinaka-best na current offering ni Apple. Lumaki ang kanyang screen from 6.7 to 6.9 inches this time around. Maganda ang kanyang desert titanium na color, which is yun ang kanyang hero color this time. This ships together with the iOS 18, and balita ko mas maganda ng kanyang battery life dito. More details after this quick intro. So si iPhone 16 Pro Max na may 256GB of storage is currently priced at 77,000 pesos, and pwede mo siya mabili sa Beyond the Box be sa online or sa offline store. I'll post everything on the description box below. Now recently itong December ko lang binili itong phone na ito, and I was really excited na bitbitin to during my vacation sa Hong Kong. And I took a lot of photos dito sa phone na ito. While I was resting inside the hotel, naglalaro din naman ako ng games dito sa phone na ito to test the phone to its full extent. Now, the first things first dito, I love yung kanyang desert titanium color. Ito ang kanyang pinaka-featured color this time around sa 16 Pro Max, and hindi siya nagkakalayo sa color na iPhone 12 Pro natin na kamakailan ni-review natin yung gold color. Gustong-gusto ko ang kanyang finish dito sa gilid, brushed aluminum metal finish na matte, no? And hindi siya kapitin ng fingerprints. Nadagdagan sa kanya dito is a camera button, which we'll talk about it more later. And this phone supports eSIM, by the way. Pwede mo pagsabay isang nano SIM tsaka isang eSIM. Pagdating naman sa kanyang camera bump, nothing has changed. It's still the same, no? Same configuration sa kanyang iPhone 15 Pro Max. Before I go into full vacation, pinrotect ko muna ang phone ko together with a Momax na case na transparent, which I personally love, and meron siyang aluminum na bumper dito sa kanyang camera bump, which looks really nice, together with 3 tempered glass na lens protector dito just to protect it from getting scratched. Perfect na perfect siya when you're outdoors, just to make sure na iwas lang tayo sa scratch or accidents if in case it happens. Kung interested ka dito sa mga ginamit kong gears, I'll also be posting it on the description below. Now, si iPhone 16 Pro Max comes together with the Apple A18 Pro na chip, which is a 3nm chip inside. And nung sinalang ko to sa Antutu benchmark, it was able to give me a 1.67 million points, which is almost close sa nakuha natin sa ating Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, which is around na sa 1.7 million. So yung kanyang performance should more or less be the same, hindi nagkakalayo. And ito ang kanyang breakdown score. Ito ang score na nakuha natin sa Wild Dive Extreme. Ito ang CPU benchmarking score sa Geekbench. And ito naman nakuha natin sa GPU benchmarking sa Geekbench. Pretty high ang kanyang score. Now, pagdating sa battery, this one has a 4,685 mAh na battery, and gamit pa rin ni Apple is a lithium-ion na battery inside the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Ang kanang charging, this supports a PD 2.0, and it can charge up to 50% in 30 minutes. Pagdating naman sa charging experience, halos siguro from 0 to 100, inabot din ng 1 hour and 10 minutes just to complete the full charging cycle. If tama ako ang kanang PD 2.0 dito, it is 25 watts. And it also supports 25 watts na MagSafe charging and 15 watts na Qi charging. Pwede rin siya mag-reverse charging ng 4.5 watts para sa mga AirPods. Now, based sa akin day-to-day usage of this phone for nearly 3 weeks, and I have to say na parang gumanda ang kanyang performance, ang kanyang battery endurance as compared sa 15 Pro Max. It was almost able to hold on a day without charging. Kaya naman yan, no? As long as hindi ka masyado babad in playing games. Pero now, most of the time naman ginamit ko itong phone na ito is purely video and taking photos while I'm on vacation. Talagang kaya naman na mag-hold up, no? Yung kanyang battery. I would say nga na battery performance has really improved. Not drastically, pero it has improved over sa 15 Pro Max. Now, another thing na nag-improve talaga dito is ang kanyang display. Lumaki ang kanyang display from 6.7 inch to 6.9 inch. And this one has a LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED display with 120Hz of screen refresh rate. And ang kanyang maximum brightness is 2000 nits. And ang gamit ng protection dito is ceramic shield glass. Now, one thing na mapapansin mo dito is lumiit pang kanyang bezel. And pinag-side-by-side ko siya with a 15 Pro Max, talagang dihamak na mas lumiit ng bahagya ang kanyang bezel, which to my liking kasi mahilig ako sa mga thin bezels, no? One thing na hindi nag-improve is ang kanyang notch dito. Hindi siya lumiit, halos nag-maintain the same lang sa 15 Pro Max. Now, kung ang hilig mo naman is to browse your social media on this phone, expect mo talaga na maganda ang experience dito. iPhone always gives you one of the best experience pagdating sa social media, no? Especially when you're uploading mga content sa Facebook, you get high resolution na content, no? HD content. Pero nung nagbabrowse naman ako dito sa TikTok, sa Facebook, okay naman. Smooth as expected naman from a iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, if you're watching videos naman dito sa YouTube and sa Netflix, expect to give you a really good experience dito dahil sa kanang color resolution dito is probably one of the top notch. And yung kanang black is simply blacker dahil sa ganda ng kanang display panel. Now, this phone has two loudspeaker. Isa nandito sa ilalim and the other one coming dito sa kanyang earpiece. Check lang natin kung gaano kalakas ang kanyang sound. Honestly, malakas ang kanyang sounds. Perfect na perfecto for music tripping. Kayang siguro isang small room, kaya na i-fill with music. Malakas ang kanyang speaker. Now, kanina pinakita ko sa inyo magandang kanang GPU na score sa Geekbench. And nag-try tayo maglaro ng 4 games dito sa iPhone 16 Pro Max. Nilaro natin is Genshin Impact, Wuthering Waves, si Call of Duty Mobile, and si Farlight 84. Pagdating kay Genshin Impact, nung nilagay ko siya sa 120 FPS, na-feel ko talaga medyo nagda-drop siya, no? Nadi-delay yung screen in terms of pag nagta-turn ka ng left and right and tumatakbo ka, medyo naiiwan. Nung binili ko siya sa 60 FPS, medyo mas maging stable siya. I'm not quite sure kung bakit, pero updated naman na tong iOS natin and hopefully soon ma-fix the Apple to, no? Pero nung binabangon sa 60 FPS, I was able to play a more smoother experience dito sa Genshin Impact. And honestly, sobrang ganda ng kanang gameplay. Sobrang smooth and habang kalaban mo mga bosses dito, medyo marami sila. And doon talaga nafe-feel ko wala ng mga frame drops and wala ng mga lags nung binaba ko sa 60 FPS. Mabilis naman ganang touch response and what I like dito sa kanya is ang lakas ng ganang sounds. After 30 minutes of gameplay, umabot siya ng 47 degrees Celsius. Pagdating sa Wuthering Waves, ang ganda ng graphics niya. One of the things na complain ko dito is medyo mainit ang likod ng phone, no? While I was playing, it doesn't took long enough bago uminit siya, no? Siguro nasa 10 minutes pa lang ng gameplay, medyo umiinit na itong phone na ito. I'm just playing on room temperature, wala tayo sa loob ng aircon and electric fan lang katapat natin. And I would say na parang mas masarap ang gameplay ko dito compared some of the top Android phones, no, for Wuthering Waves. Giving me a good experience dito sa Wuthering Waves. Maganda ang ganang graphics dito. And ang ganang touch response is definitely fast. Mainit siya, umabot siya ng roughly 50 to 51 degrees Celsius after 30 minutes of gameplay. Call of Duty Mobile, hindi na kailangan sabihin to. Dalagang smooth na smooth naman itong sa iPhone 16 Pro Max. The gameplay is definitely good. Playing halos 45 minutes ako tayo naglaro nito dahil natuwa naman ako sa gameplay and playing ranked matches and mga free-for-all game, no? So, dalagang okay na okay siya. Probably one of the upside dito sa kanya is malakas ang kanyang sound and narinig mo ang footstep ng kalaban mo coming from the left and the right. And pinakamainit na inabot niya is roughly 43 degrees Celsius. Nang pagdating sa Farlight 84, sinagad-sagad din na natin ang kanyang graphics dito. Talagang okay din ang maglaro ng Farlight 84 dito sa iPhone 16 Pro Max. Halos nakapag-tatlong VR match ako dito for an hour and the gameplay was really smooth. Probably one thing na nagustuhan ko dito sa kanya is ang kanyang graphics, no? Very satisfying ang kanyang graphics dito and probably one of the better phones to play Farlight 84 in my opinion, ha. And pinakamainit na inabot niya is roughly nasa 47 degrees Celsius din. Now, syempre right now, pag-usapan na natin ang cameras ni iPhone 16 Pro Max. Yung pinaka-highlight niya talaga sa phone na ito. Now, it starts off with a 48MP na main camera sensor with sensor shift OIS, 12MP na periscope telephoto lens with up to 5 times optical zoom, and of course, a 48MP na ultra-wide lens. Meron din siya TOF 3D LiDAR scanner para sa kanyang depth sensing, and this can shoot you up to 4K and 120fps. Pagdating sa harap, it's a 12MP na front-facing camera with OIS, and meron din siyang 3D na sensor. Can shoot you up to 4K and 60fps. Nabitbit ko tong phone na ito sa iPhone 16 Pro Max during my vacation sa Hong Kong. And I took a lot of photos and videos dito. Halos nag-overload siya, no? But nevertheless, just want to share you some of the good shots na nakuha natin. Starting off with some of these great shots though from outdoors. Makita natin while touring the city, ang dami ko nakuhang mga photos dito, no? Lalo mga tall building shot. Ang gaganda ng mga nakuha ko dito from the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, pag landscape naman kinukuha natin from top of the Victoria's Peak, talagang breathtaking din mga photos na nakuha ko dito sa kanya. Now, habang naglalakad naman ako sa Ocean Park, did try to play with the different lenses niya, no? Starting off with the ultra-wide lens. Ito, itsura niya. This is a normal shot. 2 times, 5 times, 10 times zoom, 20 times zoom, and ang kanyang sagad, 25 times zoom. Now, I would say na after 25 times zooming, makita mo medyo mas soft na yung photo, but nevertheless, it's still good pag hindi mo siya zoom. Pag kumuha ka ng mga flower shot dito using this camera, I would say na talagang nice and sharp mga photos na makukuha mo dito sa kanya. It's really good daw itong camera ni iPhone 16 Pro Max. And nung kinuha ko ng shot ng mga penguins sa loob ng Ocean Park, well, honestly, ang gaganda ng mga shot na kuha ko. This is 2 times zoom and nilapit natin as close as 5 times zooming. Now, habang naglalakad naman sa Disneyland, I was able to take some really nice shot dito kay Belle and taking more fun shots while walking around. So, you'd see some random shots dito. Dalagang ang ganda gamitin tong camera ni iPhone 16 Pro Max when you're outdoors. Na pagdating naman sa gabi, kayang-kaya din mag-perform ng camera na ito. Now, taking a really breathtaking shot, kita mo happy holidays dito, yung mga drones dito sa Disneyland. Ang ganda ng kanyang pagka-capture dito. This is, by the way, a 5 times zoom. And yan, makita mo yung mga shots na ito. It's really nice and captivating. And sa gabi, nilaro din naman natin ng kanyang different lenses. This is a ultra-wide shot, normal, 2 times, and a 5 times zoom. So, kita natin, after 5 times zooming, ang clear pa rin ng castle dito sa Main Street dito sa Disneyland. And further taking some other night shots, talagang panalong-panalo ang camera ni iPhone 16 Pro Max. And nung pahaponan, I was able to take a snapshot dito kay Chip and Dale, pati dito kay Bo Peep ng Toy Story. And also some shots nila Donald and Daisy and Mickey. Now, pagdating naman sa food photography, expect mo na talaga makapag-perform itong ganang camera dahil was able to take in some really nice shot dito sa mga snacks na kinain namin while in Hong Kong. And yeah, some of this food are really good, no? Kahit yung mga shots na ito, pag tinignan mo mukhang ang sasarap. Pero sa totoo, talagang masarap naman sila lahat. And habang nasa indoor ako dito sa Legoland, I was able to take in some of these nice snaps. And really, I would say na kahit low light performance talaga itong si iPhone 16 Pro Max. And if you want more sample shots, siyempre sa sobrang daming shots na nakuha ko dito sa camera na ito, di ko kaya i-share lahat dito sa video na ito. But feel free to check me out sa aking Facebook page at gadgetsidekick para makita nyo more shots na i-upload ko galing sa aking iPhone 16 Pro Max. Now, using the front-facing camera on outdoors, I would say natural mga looks na nakuha ko dito. Makita nyo medyo may pagkakunting green tint kasi nilagyan natin ng green tinted na tempered glass. Medyo may kunting pagka-greenish effect itong camera natin sa front, no? So, makita natin. But nevertheless, pag outdoor, talagang makakuha siya ng mga really nice snaps dito sa kanya. And I'm really impressed naman dito sa camera ng iPhone 16 Pro Max. Pag indoor naman, equally nice, no? Sharp din mga photos na makuha natin dito. Though it's a little bit softer compared sa outdoor, but nevertheless, I would say na yung mga shots dito talagang superb, no? As compared sa mga ibang Android phones. One of the bright spot talaga ng iPhone is yung kanyang selfie camera. Now, I took this video while I was walking sa Disneyland and I would say na sobrang stable ang kanyang front-facing camera. Perfect na perfect to for vlogging of any occasion. Ang kanyang rear camera, taking a 4K video, expect mo talagang nothing but one of the best, no, na vlogging camera from a iPhone 16 Pro Max. Maganda ng resolution, very smooth, and yeah, that's it. Ang ganda ng kanyang resolution. Now guys, with a really nice phone like the iPhone 16 Pro Max, okay na okay siya. Lalo na if you're the type of person na mahilig sa photos, videos, or if you're doing content creation. Nonetheless, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is still one of the best one out there. Just simply perfect for vlogging. Wala akong ibang masabi dito sa kanya kasi perfect na perfect ng camera. Steady, be it sa front or rear camera, taking videos, sobra siyang smooth. And one thing na napansin ko nag-improve dito sa kanya is ang kanya night photography as compared sa kanya 15 Pro Max sa counterpart. Makita niyo naman sa mga photos na pinakita ko sa inyo, ang dami ko kinuha mga night mode photos just to be able to show you na maganda ang kanyang night mode na camera. So is this the phone for you? Si iPhone 16 Pro Max? Kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan ko ito nabili, I got it from Beyond the Box and I'll post the link on the description box below. If you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends, and a quick sub to this channel is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.